I was so inspired by the movie Damsel that I decided to make a skirt. I'm starting off with the dress that I thrifted from Goodwill, and as you can see there's a zipper here, but we're going to get that out of the way. Now I'm just cutting off the top part of the dress so that we can use the bottom part for a skirt. Now that it's off, I found out that it was just a little bit too big on me, so we're going to take in the waist. There's this ribbon and this zipper pull here that we've got to work with. So I'm going to tuck the zipper pull away and cut off parts of the ribbon so that it will lay just flat once we have the new waist size. And just so the thread matches, I'm going to switch it out. And as you can see, we have quite a few layers of fabric here to contend with, so I'm going to take it slow on the machine. I'm running a new line of stitches down the side and slowly but surely making a new end of the dress so I can cut off the excess fabric. I was having some problems with bunching in the bobbin, but good thing I had support from my magical boyfriend in the background who I didn't even realize was there. Now we've got our line of stitches and we're just going to cut that off. And now it fits. I've tucked in the zipper pull as you can see. Now is the time to distress the dress. That cut I made is about how high I'm going to go, making these long vertical strips to make it look as if it has been torn up while I've been running through a cave, fighting dragons of course. And now I've decided to do some flame distressing. Say hello to your local snails. Alrighty. Got water nearby for safety, but I was actually very surprised how flame retardant polyester is, so I went for a different strategy. I'm rubbing the skirt down with charcoal from the fireplace to create ashy marks, but since that wasn't quite going fast enough, I decided to put it into the fireplace itself. This worked quite well. And there we have it. Long torn strips, charcoal on the outside. You'd never know I didn't just fight a dragon. Have a good day and happy crafting.